How to share a product on eBay to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any product on eBay to Instagram easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to eBay app. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this computer right here. Click on the product, and now as you can see, all what you have to do to share it is go to the top corner, click on those three dots, and then click on share this item. Now right here you will find the Instagram option. As you can see, just by clicking on it you will be able to share it fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.